Good morning, first grade learners. So this week we're going to continue learning all about the Bossy R. Now last week we focused on AR and OR. AR says R and OR says or when you see them in the word. That's what the R does to A and O. This week we're going to focus in on E, I, and U and what Bossy R does to those vowels. So just as a reminder, when you see the letter R after a vowel, it is bossy and it changes the sound of the vowel. Like in the word curb or hammer or stir, as in that stir fry. So R changes the sound of the vowel. Now we're focusing on IR, ER, and UR this week. And when you see those letter combinations, when you see R after I, E, or U, they all make the same sound. They all make the sound. So when you're tapping out words with IR, ER, or UR, you only have to make the sound that the R makes, So, how do you know which one to use? Well, that's tricky. This is going to be a lot of just figuring it out and learning it. But here are a few clues as to what vowel R combination you use. So, you use IR mostly in the middle of words. So if you hear in the middle of the word, it probably might be IR. ER sometimes comes in the middle, but it also always comes at the end, or mostly comes at the end. So if you hear at the end of a word, it's probably ER. And then UR, the sound for UR, mostly comes in the middle of a word. So IR and UR come in the middle. ER can come in the middle as well, but it's usually found at the ends of words. So here are some examples. Like for IR, you have words like bird, first, dirt, swirl, and chirp. For ER, you have words like tiger, fern, otter, herd, and letter. And for UR, there's words like turtle, burn, turnip, curb, and nurse. So let's look at some of these words individually. So here's a picture of a bird, B-I-R-D. I-R is in the middle. What sound do we make for IR? We make a sound. So bird, bird. Here's surf. That man is surfing on the surf. I see UR in the middle. Surf. We don't say just surf. Here's an otter. Otter. That ER is at the end of the word. So we just say ot. And remember when we see double letters, we only say it once. Otter. 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 And there's a picture of some dirt. Where is the R controlled vowel? It's in the middle, that IR. What sound do we make? Dirt. And here's a picture of a curb. Curb. I see a UR in the middle, so I know I just make the sound because that R is bossy. Herb. That's some butter. Where do we see that controlled R vowel? At the end. Butter. Now it is your turn. So you have two options to complete for today. You can write the word or you can unscramble the word. Remember, the Write the Word worksheet, you'll have words that you see that you write, and then you'll sound out words and write. The unscramble the word gives you the letters all mixed up, and you have to figure it out. Happy learning, guys. Bye.